Good afternoon, Lilliput, and welcome to the Year 2 Friday quiz. Hope you're all keeping safe at home. I'm keeping safe here. I'm just going to give you a few rules to start off with to do with our quiz. I'm going to read out 10 questions. I'm going to give you some time to answer these questions. Should you need a little bit longer, just press pause on your computer to give yourself a bit more time. I've normally got a co-host with me today, but as you can see, they haven't turned up. Oh, what's that? Somebody's just thrown a globe at me. I wonder why they've thrown a globe at me. Maybe it's got something to do with my co-host. Oh dear, who's that behind me?
Hello everybody, let's get quizzing.
Right, question number 1. What continent is South Africa in? What continent is South Africa in?
Are you going to ring your bell, Mrs. Rawlins, when they've had enough time?
I am. Question number 2.
Question 2. What colours make up the South African flag? Question 2. What colours make up the South African flag?
I think they might need a bit more time for this one, so you might need to press pause. Question number 3. What is the name of the spider in the book we've been reading about this week? What is the name of the spider in the book we've been reading about this week?
Question 4. In that book, how many sons did the spider have? So in that book, how many sons did the spider have?
Question number 5. Can you name 3 of the sons? Can you name 3 of the sons?
Question 6. This looks like it could be a tricky one, so you may need a pen and paper and you may need a little bit of extra time, so don't forget you can pause the video. Question 6. In maths, you've been learning about grouping this week. If Mr. Fleet has 15 apples and Mrs. Smith eats 7 of those apples, how many apples are left for Miss Orchard? I'll read it again. So if Mr. Fleet has 15 apples and Mrs. Smith eats 7 of those apples, how many apples are left for Miss Orchard?
Question number 7. Mr. Fleet shares 12 sweets between Miss Orchard, Mrs. Smith and myself. How many sweets would we get each? Mr. Fleet shares 12 sweets between Miss Orchard, Mrs. Smith and myself. How many do we get each?
Question number 8. What is the name of the pirate ship in the playground here at school? What is the name of the pirate ship in our playground at school?
Question number 9. In science this week, what objects did we test for density? In science this week, what objects did we test for density?
And your last question for this week's quiz, question number 10. Can you name one of our school values? Can you name one of our school values?
Well, Mr. Burt, thank you very much for being such an amazing quiz master. I think we might give the children some time now to try and work out the answers. So tune back in for the next video for the answers.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Rule. What a super host you are.
Thank
See
you.
you next time, children.
Bye-bye.
Bye.